Cutting straight across to the parliament at the moment where there is ruckus being reported on the Lakhimpur Kheri violence. Listen.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपके माध्यम से
सदन के बाहर पे कहते हैं चर्चा नहीं करो।
मंत्री जी को कहना चाहता हूं कि
संवाद करना
नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में जम्मू के लोगों को बहुत बड़ी सौगातें, बड़े प्रोजेक्ट मिले हैं, जिनमें दो बड़े प्रोजेक्ट हैं। एक जम्मू मेट्रो रेल का प्रोजेक्ट है और दूसरा एम्स का प्रोजेक्ट है। मैं मंत्री जी से कहना चाहता हूं कि जो मेट्रो रेल का प्रोजेक्ट है, जो बड़ी ब्राह्मण तक का इसका सर्वे हुआ है, ये सर्वे जो है वो विजयपुर तक ले जाए। विजयपुर में एम्स का काम चल रहा है और विजयपुर तक अगर मेट्रो रेल पहुंची है तो इसका बहुत बड़ा लाभ जम्मू के लोगों को मिलेगा। तो मेरी मंत्री जी से बात है कि जम्मू से शुरू हुआ प्रोजेक्ट जो बड़ी ब्राह्मण तक जिसका सर्वे हुआ है, वो सर्वे विजयपुर तक जाना चाहिए ताकि मेट्रो रेल विजयपुर तक पहुंचे और सबको उसका लाभ मिल सके। मैं मंत्री जी से जानना चाहता हूँ।
This question number 263 is related to the urban housing and the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. But the honourable member has asked a question on metro rail in Jammu and Kashmir, and the honourable member has desired that the current metro proposal be extended from the present point to the aim. No, I can tell the honourable member we will be very happy to consider this, and as we develop the metro project, we will be having stakeholder consultation, and the views that the honourable member has said, we will be happy to take those into account and consult the other stakeholders for extending that metro line. ये तख्तियां लाना, नारेबाजी करना अच्छी संसद की परंपरा नहीं है। आपको जनता ने चुनकर भेजा है उनके विषयों को उठाने का, उनकी समस्याओं की चर्चा करने का, उनके ऊपर चर्चा करने का आप तथ्य लेकर आते हैं। गलत तरीका। सदन की कार्रवाई आज दिन में 2 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
Sabha stands to be adjourned. The Lok Sabha is adjourned until 2 p.m. this afternoon amidst the ruckus that took place over the debate on the Lakhimpur Kheri violence. We got you those visuals right there from the Lok Sabha. Questions arising on will Ajay Mishra Teni resign in connection to the Lakhimpur Kheri violence. In fact, we have a report on India Today that says the source-based information that the government is unlikely to take any action against MOS Home Ajay Mishra Teni in connection with the Lakhimpur Kheri violence. This is source-based information coming in, and fireworks happening in the Lok Sabha over this particular incident. Supriya is now joining us live. Supriya, what are your sources telling you at the moment? The opposition is, of course, raking up this very important issue of the resignation of Ajay Mishra Teni as MOS Home. But what is the source-based information that we're picking up at the moment on his resignation?
Well, Chethi, as far as the Lok Sabha proceedings are concerned, Congress's MP from Wayanad, Rahul Gandhi, raised the issue of Lakhimpur Kheri. He was supposed to ask a question. The question hour started. His question was listed for this, was the second question on MSME sector. However, he raised the issue of Lakhimpur Kheri. All the Congress MPs were protesting in the din. At the same time, the speaker said that the question should be asked, but still Rahul Gandhi went on and said that sack the minister, he is a criminal. So it was a very crisp, sharp attack on the government, saying sack the minister, MOS Home, and because he's a criminal. At the same time, Congress party is going to raise this issue in Rajya Sabha also. Lok Sabha has been adjourned till 2 p.m. because there's a massive protest which has broken out from the opposition side. There was a ruckus inside the house, following which the house has been adjourned till 2 p.m. And the other side, as far as the Rajya Sabha is concerned, the opposition leaders are going to raise the Lakhimpur Kheri issue in Rajya Sabha also, and they're seeking resignation of MOS Home. We've already seen as to how the opposition has upped the ante, led by Rahul Gandhi, and today in the House also he's raised the issue as far as the minister is concerned. He at the moment is in North Block. We are hearing that he's at the moment holding the regular meetings, but as far as this entire issue is concerned, opposition has upped the ante, in particularly Congress party, because there's a protest also which is scheduled around 12 noon today in Delhi near the Parliament House. And when we spoke to the Congress leaders, they said from the Parliament, that is Sansad se Sadak tak, we will continue fighting on this issue till the time the resignation is not sought. Rahul Gandhi yesterday in a very aggressive tone has already said that till the time the resignation of the MOS home is not taken, he will continue this fight, and because he had gone to Lakhimpur Kheri, met those victims and had promised there. So this is what the Congress party at the moment is maintaining on this issue. A massive ruckus has broken out inside both the houses, and at the same time also the Congress is set to protest on the streets too.
That's right. So that is the opposition upping the ante as far as Congress party is concerned. As you rightly mentioned, Rahul Gandhi has hit out at the ruling party. And what are the other inputs that you're picking up at the moment, Supriya, from other opposition parties as far as this incident is concerned? And are they likely to up the ante on the floor of the House? Because we already saw the ruckus take place and the House is adjourned till 2 p.m. now.
Well, Cheti, as far as the entire opposition is concerned, approximately 14 opposition parties are there which are saying that Lakhimpur Kheri issue should be discussed in the House, both the houses, the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha, and at the same time also they are asking for the resignation for the sacking of MOS home Ajay Mishra Teni. Ever since that SIT report has come, the protests have increased, and the opposition is saying that nothing short of a discussion in both houses as well as that of the resignation of MOS home is what they're asking for, and they will continue protesting. Also TMC, which was, we saw this at this very place on Vijay Chowk day before yesterday as to how this was a protest march which was taking place on the suspended MPs issue. However, the minute this report came, all the opposition leaders from this very place where we are at Vijay Chowk, from here only they had addressed and sent out a message loud and clear that entire opposition is going to raise this issue of the resignation of MOS home Ajay Mishra Teni. Government is under huge pressure is what the sources are telling us, and they are saying that some action is expected on that line also.
All right, hold on right there with us. Supriya is getting us the latest details. In fact, Rahul Gandhi has picked up this issue and has very aggressively voiced his opinion about it as well on the floor of the House. Listen in to what Rahul Gandhi had to say on this.
जो लखीमपुर खेरी में माननीय आप प्रश्न हत्या हुई है, आप प्रश्न में पूछिए। हाँ सर, वही उसी के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ। हाँ, उसी के बारे में आप प्रश्न पूछिए। आप माननीय सदस्य सर, उसी के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ। हाँ सर, जो लखीमपुर खेरी में हत्या हुई है, आप प्रश्न और जो मंत्री का इन्वॉल्वमेंट है उसमें माननीय सदस्य जहाँ कहा गया है, जहाँ कहा गया है कि कंस्पिरेसी है, आपके बारे में 262 हमें बोलने देना चाहिए। जो यहाँ आपके मंत्री हैं, उन्होंने किसानों को मारा है, उनको इस्तीफा देना चाहिए। आप सीनियर मेंबर हैं, आप प्रश्न का वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ। आपको प्रश्न अरे बोलने तो दीजिए। हाँ बोलिए ना, बोलने तो दीजिए। आप प्रश्न पूछिए। तो जो उसने जो उसका जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट है विषय कंस्पिरेसी जो की है, आपने प्रश्न पूछा, उस पर समय दूंगा। उसकी सजा मिलनी चाहिए। आप प्रश्न पे पूछिए और उसको सजा मिलनी चाहिए। आप प्रश्न पूछिए। अच्छा है माननीय सदस्य, आप जब कहते हैं कि सदन में बोलने का मौका नहीं था, आज मैं प्रश्न पे आपको बोलने का मौका दे रहा हूँ। ये जो मंत्री है, इसको आप प्रश्न पे बोले। आप पहले प्रश्न नंबर बोले, सरकार से निकाल देना चाहिए। नो, ये क्रिमिनल है और इसको इसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। 263
Supriya is now joining us. Supriya, House is adjourned at the moment. We saw that ruckus that took place over Lakhimpur Kheri violence, and yes, the opposition is really gearing up to bring this issue and demanding the resignation of MOS home Ajay Mishra Teni as well. But what if the centre, decides not to do that, and what happens then? What is the plan of the opposition? What is the way and manner in which they are going to be protesting? You were mentioning it in the passing earlier. If you could elaborate on that.
Well, it seems that Rahul Gandhi is going to lead on this issue, because yesterday only the entire 14 opposition parties' floor leaders had gathered together. They charted out a strategy wherein the adjournment motion was moved by Rahul Gandhi, and following that we've seen as to how he continuously attacked the government on the issue of sacking of the minister MOS home. And today also he has said in very crisp way, Cheti, that sack him, he is a criminal and he should be punished too. These are the three key points which came from that the speech which Rahul Gandhi gave a short brief mentioning while there were protests happening inside the house, and we have seen that following it, the house was adjourned. What we are hearing is that opposition will continue protesting on this issue. The entire day we are learning from our sources that there will be a protest by the Youth Congress, and at the same time other opposition parties are also likely to come out and speak to the media on this very issue in case the issue is not been allowed to raise. This is what they are saying, that in case the discussion is not allowed, in case the minister's resignation is not taken, there will be another massive showdown between the government as well as the opposition. We have to remember that there are assembly elections in both Punjab as well as that of Uttar Pradesh, and this matter has been raised to the hill by the opposition because in these two the issue is concerning that of the farmers, and at the same time also a minister is involved. So there's a huge pressure which the opposition is trying to build up upon the government. There's a direct attack also, and we have seen just now that from the opposition side the message is loud and clear, which Rahul Gandhi said in 2 lines, that was sack the minister, he's a criminal. So this is what the opposition line is. As far as the government is concerned, they are monitoring the situation very closely. We are learning from our sources that the MOS home yesterday landed in Delhi. He was called, there are some murmurs in Delhi's power corridor that the minister was called to Delhi. However, there is no official word as such, but certainly yes, the daggers have been drawn. There's a massive showdown which has broken out as far as the SIT report on Lakhimpur Kheri is concerned.
Absolutely, and we're staying with all the latest coming in from the Parliament at the moment. Till 2 p.m. Lok Sabha is adjourned. Indeed, a stormy winter session of the Parliament at the moment. Rahul Gandhi pushing for MOS Home's resignation. You saw many opposition leaders up the ante on the floor of the House, and the government going on to say the matter is sub judice and there will be no debate on this. Supriya, the government saying there will be no debate on this, the matter is sub judice. How is this likely to even resonate amongst the electorate?
Well, Cheti, what we are hearing at the moment is there's some more information coming in that as far as this entire issue is concerned, Congress will be protesting in Uttar Pradesh also now. And even there are these assemblies where right now we are hearing that even in the Vidhan Sabha of Uttar Pradesh, the Congress is demanding that a discussion should take place on the SIT report as far as Lakhimpur Kheri is concerned. So as you were just mentioning that right from the government has maintained yesterday that because the matter is sub judice, they cannot discuss this matter in both the houses. However, opposition is going all out and protesting on this issue, not just in the Parliament. Now the matter has been raised in the Assembly of Uttar Pradesh also, which is what the source